Okay. So, a very good morning to all our friends from the media. Today, we are here for the second media briefing. The first one was around the time of notification, around the time of announcement. So, today, I will update you regarding all the things that we have done towards preparation for the elections, the poll day for which is 19th April for us. So, first of all, I come to the observers. So, we have with us four observers who have come, and we will give you the press note with all the details. That is just coming. I have just signed it. Uh, so, the general observer is Nipun Vinayak sir. He's from Maharashtra cadre, and he's an IAS officer, 2001 batch. And their phone numbers will also be shared with you so that that can be circulated in the media. The police observer is Mr. K. Satyanarayan sir. He is from UP cadre, 1998 batch. And then for expenditure, we have Mr. Arvind Sharma. He is from the IRAS, and Miss Anita Rinesh from the Revenue Service. So these are our four observers who have joined us, and they have spent about a week with us, and they have taken meetings with various officers, respective nodal officers, sector officers. Some of them have visited other districts also. So they are observers for the whole parliamentary constituency, for the whole state. So they will be traveling across, and we will keep you informed of their travel also, so that your counterparts in the other districts can also cover or ask them questions if you want that. So the details of this will be shared with you, the phone numbers and the exact ACs. Then I come to training of polling officials. So this is the next important step, because it is the polling officials who go till the polling station and do the job on the 19th. So the first training has been completed, and that was on the 26th and 27th of March. We have 321 polling stations, so 321 plus some reserve is what we are training. We did a special training for first timers on the 1st of April, and the second training is scheduled on 6th and 8th, so coming Saturday and Monday. The third training will be on the 15th and the 16th, so that it will be 1 day minus of dispatch. So this is with respect to the polling officials. We have done the second randomization of polling officials, which was done on the 28th of March for us. And the third randomization we are expected to do on 17th of April, just before the dispatch day. And for the rest of the districts also, second randomization of the polling personnel has been done in the presence of the observer. Now, the next, I come to EVM randomization and commissioning. So, as I told you last time, that EVMs, we have a good stock of EVMs and we have enough reserve. First randomization we have done on 21st of March. In that, each EVM was allotted to particular AC. And now, second randomization will be done on 9th of April, just before commissioning. So 10th April, 10 to 13th April, we will be doing commissioning. Commissioning means basically the symbol loading and preparing of EVM for this particular election. And second randomization basically means allotment of particular polling station to each set of EVM. So next entire week we will be busy with commissioning and preparing our EVMs. So for this we have made AC wise team of officers to help us with commissioning, dispatch, receiving, and counting. So with that, I come to dispatch and receiving. Uh, as I told you last time, that this time we will be having two centers for dispatch. One will be the Brigade Ground AMC Sports Complex at Bongkon. So that is a very big field, and six ACs will be dispatched from there. That is Tuiwal North 1, 2, 3, East 1 and 2. And the second point of dispatch will be Tlangwam Field. So another six ACs will be dispatched from there. So South 1, 2, 3 and West 1, 2, 3. So I invite all of you to be there with us on that day, so that you can cover how the teams are going, how we are distributing the EVMs, etc. So it will be good if all of you can be there. Uh, Receiving centers. So the polling parties will go out on the 18th. From the morning of 18th, we will start. 19th, they will be there, and after the poll has finished at 5 p.m., they will come back uh, on the evening of 19th and the early morning of 20th. So receiving center will be located near each strong room. So I will also tell you the location of the strong rooms. We have 12 strong rooms in Aizawl district. So six strong rooms are within this office complex, in my DC office complex. Four are at Assembly Annexi, and two are at Government Aizawl College at Sikulpikon. So the receiving center for each one of them will be next to that particular strong room. So again, you are it's strong rooms are free to be inspected by all the candidates, all the political parties. So that all arrangements are there in place. So commissioning onwards, we will be uh, all the everything will be in place. So this is with respect to strong rooms. And now I come to home voting. So, as per the instructions of the Election Commission of India, we have to um, we have to provide the facility of home voting to voters who have 40% or more disability. That is one category, and second is voters who are 85 years and above. So this has been changed from last time. Earlier it was 80 plus, so now a commission has changed it to 85 plus, and many of our voters have updated their correct age on the electoral roll. So we will be about approximately 900 people have been found to be eligible. Eight 900. What is the exact number? 800 and we'll give you the exact number. It is approximately 900. So home voting for them we will be conducting from 8th, 9th, and 10th April. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in 3 days. And in case the teams need more time, we will give them more time also. And uh, the briefing for this will happen on the 7th for the teams, and 22 teams have been appointed to cover 900, approximately 900 voters, and this number for the entire state is about 1600. So across the districts, we it is about 1600. I also would like to cover postal ballot and printing of ballot paper. So printing of all the ballot paper, that is including postal ballot plus the ballot paper that goes on the EVM. So that has been printed, and it was printed centrally at the printing and stationery press in Aizawl. And from each district, the respective officers have come and collected their set. So that we are preparing the working copy of the electoral roll, which will be given to each polling party. So, and finally, now I come to media cell and control room. So, as you know, that the media cell is located at the INPR building, INPR department building, and the control room is located at our DEOC in our office, in the DC office. And these control rooms are functional 24/7, and any grievances and inquiries regarding the election can be addressed on the toll free number 1950. So I would request you to also publicize this number, that in case any citizen, anybody has any problem, they can call up on 1950 and they can reach us. That is one way. And the second is that there is an app called C-Vigil app, where they can download the app, and if they feel that there is some violation of model code of conduct, or if any particular candidate is not doing things as per the norms, they can just take a picture of it and complain on the app. And we are all onboarded on the app, so we will have to respond within 100 minutes. So this also, I think we should publicize more so that people know their options. So anything else that I have to cover? So that's mainly from my side. Now I would like to take your questions.
Ma'am, regarding the speed competition,
Yes.
Last press conference also you have mentioned that in the Lok Sabha elections, like as compared to the state assembly elections, the
Yes.
voter turnout has been less. So now sweep campaign is still going on. So what are the
Yes.
developments so far, and how did the
That's a very
people
good question,
accepted it?
and
And
that's something I forgot to cover. So we are doing many activities with respect to sweep. So some of them, in terms of outreach events, the first one was done yesterday, which is an art exhibition, which I think all of you have covered also at Millennium Center last yesterday. And now that exhibition will go on for today and tomorrow. And tomorrow we will have a street concert at Millennium. Uh, so uh, I'm hoping that a good crowd gathers there and we are able to give that message. We have also we are trying to also collaborate with I League because they have a match on the 9th. Isol FC has a match on 9th. So we are in talks with them and hopefully that will materialize and we'll have some sweep messages, announcements, posters at that place. Then we on the 11th we have a bikers rally, sweep bikers rally, which will start from Brigade Ground and it will go till Trinity Hospital. So this will be in the morning. And these are some of the events. Then we are also trying to do a small event at Zemavok, the date for which is not yet finalized. I will let you know when we have the exact date. It will be in the last week, the week of 15th April. Because Zemabog is one area which has very low voter turnout, so we want to focus on that. So that is one of the things. Then we have collaborated with our electoral literacy clubs. So 7 colleges have electoral literacy clubs. So we have their campus ambassadors. We have roped them in, and they have created a small wall of democracy within their college through participation of the students. So reports for this is coming back to us. Then we are having certain talk shows on DDK and AIR. So we have done the first one, and the next two are also scheduled in the coming days. We have put up. You can see the hoardings have been put up across 10 locations in the town, and we have roped in certain celebrities, certain social media influencers. So on the hoardings, you can see their pictures, and similarly, those hoardings we also have in digital format. So they will be sharing it on their social media handles, and we are also making some animations, small animations, which can be shared on social media. And finally we have pasted certain messages on ATMs and on buses through our bus association. So these are mainly these are the things that we are doing on sweep, and I'm really hoping that people will come out and vote.
any complaints
Yes.
regarding MCC violation?
MCC violation? Not yet. Yes.
So the ECI till date has not made any arrangement for the IDP voters outside Manipur. So
Yes.
would this be reconsidered in during the state of Mizoram?
Uh, See, that is not for me to decide. If you want, I can take it up with CEO office.
Yes, as a returning officer, like
Yes, I'll take it up with CEO office.
are there any appeals come from the IDPs in Manipur?
No, I have not received any request from them. Uh, 48 hours before we seal the border, seal in the sense that it is not a complete stop, it is a checking. So anybody who wants to go and vote, that is obviously available, but I understand that it is not practically possible in many cases. So, but it's a good point. I'll take it up with CEO sir, and let's see what can be done about it. I think they are in a different phase. They are not on 19th April. Manipur, this side area. I'll have to check whether they are. What is their date?
And last time you were saying that polling station are completely handled by the disabled persons. Is
Yes.
there any update on that?
Yes. So, which polling station is it? Zarkot number?
Combined comprehensive station.
This information you should keep for later. If you start publishing now only, what will you publish later?
Madam, correct me if I'm wrong. Regarding the post donut, whatever the postal ballot is received, so it will be entered in the EVM or it will be counted
No,
manually?
no. Postal ballot counting is done separately.
Separately.
Yes. So the postal ballot for the entire state will be counted here. So we will make a separate hall, separate counting hall for postal ballot counting, where postal ballot from all the districts will be counted here.
Okay.
And first postal ballot counting is started, and then we start the EVM counting.
Yes. That makes
Yes.
And regarding the home voting eligibility for the not only for the PWD,
Yes.
what is the age criteria for this home voting? Like
It is
80 or
this time it has been revised to 85 plus.
85 plus?
Yes.
85 and above.
85 and above. Last time it was 80 plus.
Okay, okay.
But our number of applications has been approximately same. Last time we had 940 and this time we have 890 something. That was last time. There's no point of.
And this time, 900?
This time it is 800 and get the exact number. It's approximately 900. It is
Okay,
800 something something, approximately 900. We'll give you the exact number.
approximately is good enough, I
I'm recording about the C-Vigil app.
Yes.
Maybe too technical, but last time there's a question that how secure is the C-Vigil app? Because the flying squad are cooperating with that. Because last time there's
Yes.
questions that if the person needs to enter his phone number or his name, so when his information is leaked out, so there is a question how secure is C-Vigil app?
So C-Vigil data is not available publicly. Public cannot find out who has made complaint and what happened to the complaint. Once the complaint is lodged, the FST goes to the spot. They have to verify whether the complaint is real or not. Then that gets raised to the ARO, and then ARO is to raise it to RO, and RO has to decide whether we will take this complaint, whether it is a true complaint or not, and what action is to be taken on it. So this the data is not really shared in the public.
It means they cannot see who is complaining, right?
No, but the person will have to register. So when it is registering,
They are afraid that if the person they complain is about is a big shot like that, they are afraid that they
yes,
find out later
yes.
like that.
See that data with us it is there, but we will not leak it out. We will not make it public. So we have distributed this to you. Now, from this, if you have any questions, you can, and it's in both the languages.
Voting will be closed. The time of voting will be closed at 5.
Five.
At 5. So after 5, at what time do you think you will be able to get the total number of votes? I mean, percentage?
So percentage we keep giving every 2 hours, but the final one, it by when can we give it? Usually, final voter turnout.
And if we consider other district as well, I think it will take the next morning. It will be the next morning to receive all the
Yes. So actually, for the whole parliamentary constituency, we have to declare this much was the turnout. It is not just Aizawl district that I have to declare. So compiling it across all of them. For us, it will still be faster. But say Longklai, Lunglai, where there are P-2 stations also, where areas are much more rural. So for that part, it will take a longer time. For us, most of our parties return by uh, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Yes. By next morning, we are done with everything. But for other districts, it is longer. And this time, even the final result has to be compiled across the districts.
And for the media share, what facilities will be there?
Yes. So we will, as like last time, for every location, DC office, NXC, and GSC. We will be having a separate room for the media, and we will also designate a certain area for your interview. That for the candidates, if you have to take interview, but this will be more on the counting day. Yes. Yeah. On receiving day, you can come and have a look, but I think it will not be very interesting.
Well, last time in the last assembly election, there is an incident in the district that was for vote counting. Those who are posted for the duty, I think yes, yeah. So there's we find a means we verbally we made a complaint to you also regarding about some are permitted to enter while we are having the same card and all. Some are permitted to enter in the counting room, some are not. While we are talking, they don't know much about what the
All right. So
so
we
we
will.
have to be brief
Yes,
regarding what
we will brief them. So the guideline says that at the time of counting, in small batches, media people are allowed inside, and they will be escorted by one officer. So we will follow that. I think we can.
Not only the in
Yes.
the district of the, we have also faced that kind of thing in this assembly elections in both the
For
districts.
all the three
So we have
locations,
a
we will
lot of
brief. Yes, I'll note
from
that down.
the district.
Yes.
and regarding this, I think it's better to have a meeting with the security personnel
Yeah.
because from the security heads, they did not they were informed